Hi, I'm Kelly from Metro Payment Technologies. We've partnered with NMI to bring you our customized Metro Payment Gateway. Today's video will be covering the topics shown below. We hope you find this video helpful, and please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.
The account information page is where you can find all of your contact and billing information. You can edit most things on this page, including your name, address, and some phone number, fax, email, and website. You can also change your time zone here. The only two things you can't change are your company name, as well as the billing information you have on file for your account. If you want to make a change here, you can just select the field, enter something new, and hit save.
Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions regarding our gateway, please contact us at 1-800-771-3719 or email us at service@metropaytech.com. Also, be sure to check out our website, www.metropaytech.com, to see all the other products and services we offer, including our new Fee Buster program, which offers you zero processing fees.